Alright, let's do a quick recap video for the Thursday. It was pretty bad day for me, and I feel like I overtraded a little bit. Let's go through all the phases. What I was looking for, as I was discussed on the forecasting, I was looking for the price to go a little bit bullish, especially after creating this FOMC low. I wanted to see something like this and then go higher, but the New York AM session happened pretty bearish. We had this beautiful imbalance, fair value gap here. So when the market opened, we immediately got a rejection. And this is the first 50-minute candle. Just look at the candle. It was crazy. So yeah, so definitely I was looking for some reversal, which was really wrong thing to do after seeing this kinds of rejection. So I went to 1 minute to find if we can see any kind of bullish rejection where we can get into. This was the fair value gap. I marked down to see rejection from to inverse price. We came back, but in a good way. So what I was looking at to take this gap and then start moving to the upside, because we just took out the previous daily low, right? But after this heavy move, I should have started thinking a little bit about more bearish side, I think. Bearish side, what I'm saying. Bearish side, I think, which I didn't. I was kept looking for the buy opportunity. Let me show you something, guys. So after price hit this 3 minute, 2 minutes inverse fair value gap, and we crossed it also. 2 minute we didn't, but on 1 minute, if you see, we created another on this side. So I was waiting for the 2 minute close, which we never got it. Let's see on 2 minutes. See, we didn't close on 2 minutes. So when I got it on the 1 minute, there is a beautiful sell setup from here, as we were pretty bearish. So we could have just taken from here to this 1 hour fair value gap. But I don't know, I was so fixed on the forecast, like I need to look for buy, so I wasn't looking for any sell, and price just dumped. And when they hit it again, hit this fair value gap, I started looking for buy setup again, even though we almost had like a 400 points drop. So around, but we didn't get any here. Although even here is like liquidity, and then we got a liquidity sweep to the upside, I guess. No, we didn't. Yeah, but just because we had a liquidity here, and 1 minute I think there's an inversion value gap which we inverse right here. So I entered another buy from here, which was totally didn't make any sense, even though I totally get it. What was my mindset was, because we are in a 1 hour fair value gap, and I was expecting to go higher. But the thing is, we need what I didn't understand was how heavily price was dropping. So I took my second entry from here. Price kept reversing from that area. Yeah, it was so. But if I was like look into it carefully, we did took out this high with a little bit weak, and then we went down, came back, and this was the inverse fair value gap we created, and then down, and this was the sell setup we came from here, which of course we missed, but yeah, that was beautiful. Model setup was like really good, but it is what it is. And I think after the at PM session, price started moving a little bit higher, but I stopped. I already did my 2 trades, so I'm done for today. I didn't look into the chart, but yeah, overall it was a huge drop, but I'm still expecting a little bit of bullishness on going into Friday. We'll see how the price goes. And that was a losing day, but it is what it is. I journaled everything, what I took the mistake and what I did wrong about the trades. That's what's really important. To do mistake is totally fine, but mistakes over and over again, it's not healthy. So I'll try to avoid the mistake again, even though I'll have bullish bias. If the price started moving towards the downside, we look into with the market, not only focusing on the higher time frame, which is not the right thing to do, I believe. Alright, yeah, that was the recap for Thursday. I'll do the Friday forecasting now, and see you later.